Hello, Chef here with yet another recipe for you. I'm making today a wonderful coconut cream pie. It's very simple. You start with a pie pan like this. This is a glass one. I recommend using glass. You can use metal if you want to. It needs to be at least 2 inches deep. I'm putting a little bit of butter on my butter wrapper, and I'm going to butter this pan very heavily. Make sure it's all the way around. Get that butter in there. Good. Okay, just like that. And then I'm going to remove this out of the way. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is go over all the ingredients with you. You can see most of them on the table right here. I've got about 1.5 cups of shredded coconut. When you buy it, it might look about like this. And this is a little bit too coarse for me. This is regular unsweetened coconut. I like a little less sugar in my diet, and those I cook for are sugar conscious as well. So anyway, with this type of coconut, I noticed it was a little bit too large of pieces, so I ran it through the food processor to give it this texture right here. And this texture right here is quite a bit finer. I'm just going to toss that in there. Anyway, that's what you're looking for right there. So we've got the coconut, which is 1.5 cups. We've got 3 large eggs, and those are at room temperature. We've got 2 cups of whole milk at room temperature. We've got 1 cup of granulated sugar. We've got some fresh vanilla extract, the real stuff, the pure stuff. I'm going to put about 2 teaspoons. We've got right here about a 1/4 teaspoon of salt and a 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. I've got 4 ounces of melted butter, and we're going to start combining this here. So obviously the way to do it is step 1, you want to get those eggs moving here. Copper bowl is ideal if you've got one. If not, that's okay. Any bowl will work. So my eggs go in just like this. Okay. I'm going to beat them up. Next ingredient is sugar. I like to put a little bit at a time. Okay. Next we've got the vanilla. 2 teaspoons. Just like that. Okay. Milk goes in, just like this. Oh yes, smells so good. It's gonna be good. Okay. Melted butter all goes right in. Okay, so now for my dry ingredients, I prefer to use a small sifter, just like this one right here. And I'm going to put my dry ingredients in. incorporate all these ingredients. Make sure it's nice and smooth. Oh yeah. Looking really good. Okay, at this point, all my ingredients are in here except the coconut. I'm going to combine them together very quickly and put them in the pie pan. This is a very unique recipe. The flour ends up going to the bottom of the pie pan and becoming a type of a crust. And the coconut rises to the top and gets nice and brown. So here we go. Coconut goes in all at once. Mix it up nice and even. Okay, right into my buttered dish. If you notice, I've got a cookie sheet with parchment paper, just in case we overflow it all. All right, goes just like this. Get it all in there. Oh yeah. Okay, I'm going to be baking this pie at 350 Fahrenheit and baking it until it's done, of course. So I'll be back when it's coming out. I'm going to guess it's going to take about 55 minutes. We shall see on that. You want to be very, very careful when you're moving this. And, oh, it's going to be good. I'll be back. Here we go. Look at that, the finished pie. How's it look? Yeah, check out this recipe. Make sure to try it out. And like, share, subscribe, support your sponsors. Get cooking and have a beautiful day. Oh, that's gonna be good. This pie is starting to cool. I wanted to show you two things very interesting on this recipe here. The coconut has risen to the top. It's all on the top and it's browned very, very nicely. And the flour has sunk into the bottom. And if you can see right through the glass, the flour has made a really nice crust on the bottom. I will enjoy a slice and serve some of this a little later. Make sure to try out the recipe. Okay, the finished slice of pie. Here we go. I'm garnishing with a little bit of this creme fraiche. As well as a little bit of coconut flakes right over here. Thanks for watching. Please make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Once again, you can subscribe right there. Click that little button there. Get cooking and have a great day. Wow, it smells so good. I can't wait. Have a beautiful day. Yeah, you gotta have that.